Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fun English Duo, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Thomas. Hello, friends. It's so nice to have you here again.
I hope you're ready for a relaxing lesson today.
Because today feels like a vacation day, at least in our imagination.
Yes. You know, the moment Thomas walked in earlier, I said, "You look like you just came from the airport."
And I said, I wish I only came from my kitchen.
But that's okay, because today we're taking everyone on a hotel check-in journey.
A calm, warm, gentle check-in experience.
Imagine this. You step into a beautiful hotel lobby.
There's a soft smell, maybe lavender, maybe coffee.
The floor is shiny. Your suitcase wheels make that little rolling sound.
And you take a deep breath because finally you've arrived.
The receptionist looks up and smiles.
And this is where your English speaking begins.
The receptionist says, "Good afternoon. How can I help you?"
And you give a relaxed smile back.
You say, "Good afternoon. I have a reservation."
Or, I booked a room under the name Sarah Johnson.
Or even, "I have a booking for 2 nights."
Simple, polite, and perfect.
Now, sometimes people feel shy in hotels.
Yes, especially when it's their first time speaking English.
But remember, hotel staff hear these sentences every day.
Exactly. You don't need big English. You need clear English.
And tone. Calm, friendly tone.
After you say you have a reservation, the receptionist says, "May I see your ID or passport, please?"
You reply, "Sure, here you are."
Or, "Of course, here's my passport."
Short and simple.
After checking your ID, they might ask, "Would you like a single room or a double room?"
You say, "A single room, please."
Or, "A double room, please."
Or even, "I think I booked a double room."
Perfect.
Then comes another common question. How many nights will you be staying?
And you can say, "For 2 nights."
Or, "I'll be staying for a week."
Or, "Just 1 night, please."
Sometimes the receptionist might ask, "Do you prefer a room on a higher floor or lower floor?"
You can say, "A higher floor, please."
Or, "Any floor is fine, thank you."
I always say higher floor because I love city views.
And I always choose lower floor because I'm lazy about elevators.
How excellent reasons.
Then the receptionist may hand you a form and say, "Please fill out this form."
You reply, "Okay, no problem."
And you write your details.
After that comes the breakfast question.
Would you like breakfast included?
You can say, "Yes, please."
Or, "No, thank you."
Or you can ask, "What time is breakfast served?"
Very important question for breakfast lovers.
Which Sarah absolutely is.
Guilty.
Then comes the deposit question. Could I have your credit card for the deposit?
A deposit is a temporary amount. Don't worry, they return it later.
You can say, "Sure, here's my card."
Or, "Can I pay the deposit in cash?"
Right. Both are polite.
And then comes the moment everyone waits for.
The key.
The receptionist says, "Here's your room key."
Or, "Your room number is 305.
The elevator is to your left.
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Checkout time is 12 noon.
These lines are used in hotels all over the world.
Now, let's talk about real-life problems people face during check-in.
Like pronunciation worries.
Yes, some people think, "My English is not perfect."
But trust me, hotel staff hear all kinds of English.
Fast English, slow English, broken English, mixed English.
And no one judges you.
They just want to help you.
So speak slowly, clearly, and smile.
That's the magic formula.
Now let's do a longer role play to make it more real.
Yes, a full check-in story.
I'll be the receptionist again.
And I'll be the guest, slightly tired from traveling.
Here we go. Good afternoon. Welcome to Blue Sky Hotel. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Sarah Johnson.
Let me check. Yes, I see your booking. May I see your ID, please?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. You've booked a double room for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Would you like breakfast included?
Yes, please. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. every morning.
Great, thank you.
And could I have your credit card for the deposit?
Sure, here's my card.
Thank you. Everything is set. Here is your room key.
Thank you.
Your room number is 305. The elevator is to your left.
Perfect. Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, the password is written on this card.
Great, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay with us.
And that, friends, is a complete, smooth check-in
Very natural, very friendly.
and very easy to practice at home.
You can practice with your family.
Or even alone in front of a mirror.
If you're shy, practice with a pillow.
Yes, pillows never complain.
And they never judge your accent.
Now, let's learn some bonus sentences to make you sound even more confident.
For example, is breakfast included in my booking?
Or, can I check in early?
Or is late checkout possible?
These are very common in real travel situations.
Another useful one is, can you please help me with my luggage?
Yes, that's also helpful when you're carrying heavy bags.
Or you can ask, is there a restaurant inside the hotel?
Or, do you have airport pickup service?
Very practical questions.
And here's a gentle tip. Always say please and thank you.
Those 2 words open every door.
And make everyone smile.
Now imagine this. You're tired, you just traveled for hours,
You're standing in the lobby, maybe with messy hair,
but the receptionist smiles warmly.
and you think, okay, everything's going to be all right.
That's the power of polite English.
So friends, don't stress about accent or grammar.
Just stay calm and speak slowly.
Let's practice a few more natural lines guests often use.
Thomas, is the room ready now?
Sarah, how do I connect to the Wi-Fi?
Thomas, can I get a room on a higher floor?
Sarah, is there a supermarket near the hotel?
Thomas, all easy, all useful.
And the biggest secret is confidence.
Confidence comes from practice,
And practice comes from small steps.
and small steps lead to big English.
Exactly.
So friends, that was our long, gentle journey through hotel check-in English.
From the lobby to the conversation to the key in your hand.
You now know everything you need for your next hotel stay.
If you want us to take you to the room next,
And help you order food, request towels, and solve room problems.
we checked in at the front desk.
And now it's time to step inside the room.
Imagine the elevator doors opening with a soft ding.
You walk down a quiet hallway, your suitcase rolling behind you.
You stop at your door, room 305.
You tap the keycard, it turns green, and the door unlocks.
You step inside slowly and look around.
You can say, wow, this room looks really nice.
Or it feels clean and comfortable.
Or the view is beautiful.
Or simply, this bed looks amazing.
Yes, that bed always looks like a small piece of heaven after traveling.
Now let's imagine you need something from the hotel staff.
You pick up the phone and call the front desk.
When they answer, you say, "Hi, this is room 305. Could I get an extra towel, please?"
Always start with your room number. It helps them assist you faster.
You can also say, "Could I have an extra pillow?"
Or, could you send some drinking water to my room?
Or, "Is it possible to have the room cleaned?"
Very natural questions.
But sometimes, in real life, a small room problem appears.
Yes, the air conditioner might not cool,
Or the TV might freeze.
or the Wi-Fi might pretend it's on vacation.
Yes. When something isn't working, you can say, "Hi, the air conditioner isn't working."
Or, there's no hot water in the shower.
Or, "The Wi-Fi isn't connecting."
And then add, could someone please check it?
Soft, polite, and helpful.
The staff will usually say,
we'll send someone right away.
And you reply, thank you so much.
Or, I appreciate your help.
Now, let's talk about room service, the delicious part.
Oh, yes. The moment you don't have to move and food comes to you.
You open the menu, take a look, and call room service.
You say, "Hi, this is room 305. I'd like to order some food."
They might say, sure, what would you like?
You can say, "I'd like a cheese sandwich and a cup of tea."
Or, could I have a bowl of soup and some rice?
And then you ask, "How long will it take?"
They may reply, it should take about 20 minutes.
And you say, "Great, thank you."
When the food arrives, you hear a gentle knock on the door.
Room service.
You open the door and say, thank you very much.
Or you can leave it on the table.
After eating, you can call again and say, could someone please pick up the dishes?
Very natural.
Okay, now imagine it's the next morning.
Sunlight comes through the curtains, you stretch and smile.
And then you remember, breakfast time.
The best part of every hotel stay.
You walk down to the restaurant.
The staff at the entrance smiles and says, "Good morning. May I have your room number?"
You reply, room 305.
They say, "Thank you. Please come in."
You sit at your table and maybe ask, do you have vegetarian options?
Or, "Could I get some orange juice?"
Or is coffee included?
All completely normal breakfast questions.
After breakfast, you may want your room cleaned.
You call the front desk and say, "Hi, could you please send someone to clean my room?"
Or, could I get fresh towels?
Or, "Could you change the bed sheets, please?"
Hotel staff are always ready to help.
Now, let's practice a longer, more realistic conversation for room problems.
I'll be the guest.
And I'll be the front desk.
Hi, this is room 305. The air conditioner isn't cooling.
I'm sorry to hear that. Could you give me a moment to check?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. I'll send someone to your room right away.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please let us know if you need anything else.
And that's exactly how easy it can be.
Calm tone, clear sentences.
Now, let's move to checkout English.
The part where you say goodbye to the hotel.
You go down to the lobby with your suitcase.
The receptionist smiles at you.
You say, good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
They may ask, "Sure, may I have your room number?"
You reply, room 305.
Then they ask, "Did you take anything from the minibar?"
You say, no, I didn't.
Or, "Yes, I had one bottle of water."
Then they tell you the total amount.
You can say, "Can I pay with my card?"
Or, can I pay with cash?
After paying, the receptionist says, "Thank you for staying with us."
And you say, thank you, I enjoyed my stay.
Or, "Everything was great. Thank you very much."
And just like that, your hotel stay ends smoothly.
Now let's do a full checkout role play.
I will be the receptionist.
And I'll be the guest. "Good morning. I'd like to check out, please."
Of course. May I have your room number?
Room 305.
Thank you. One moment while I prepare your bill.
Sure.
Did you take anything from the minibar?
No, I didn't.
Your total is $78.
Can I pay with my card?
Yes, absolutely.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thanks a lot. I had a wonderful stay.
We're very happy to hear that. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
And that's exactly how real checkout conversations sound everywhere in the world.
Neutral, global English. Easy to understand, easy to use.
And the best part? You don't need perfect grammar.
Just clear, polite communication.
Slow tone.
Simple sentences.
and confidence.
Confidence grows when you practice every day.
And we're here to help you grow step by step.
If you want us to continue the next hotel chapter,
Or jump to another real-life English topic,
just tell us the topic number.
and we'll create the next calm global English conversation for you. Both
Vocês.
say goodbye.